Hi, I'm Mike Noonan. I'm the managing partner and the head of the personal injury group at Shaheen and Gordon. I tell you, it's brutal what happened to people at YDC, and it's a terrible thing that these kids went through what they did. My hope is that by our representation and by doing the best job we can for these clients, we can make a difference by giving them resources they need to improve their lives. I completely understand why somebody would be hesitant to come forward about the abuse they suffered at YDC. It's a very personal and difficult thing and hard thing to remember. Uh, I would only say that there is a fund and there is the ability to get the resources people could use to get on a better track with their lives and heal from the abuse that they suffered. And I would encourage people to take advantage of that if they can. I know it's hard to do, but we really do try to be as sensitive as we can in the way we talk with and deal with clients and keep the um, stress to a minimum. Unfortunately, the fund does have a timeline and it will end. And while I understand it's very difficult for people to come forward, if they can come forward and talk to us, we can help them make sure those claims get filed and preserved and that they preserve their rights to participate in the fund before time runs out. The fund is a lot different in the way claims are processed than a typical case in court. For example, you don't have to stand on a witness stand or sit on a witness stand in front of a room full of people and jurors and judges. It's a very private, informal process. First, by some filing of paperwork that you discuss with us in our office. And then, if it comes to it, in some cases, not most cases, a very informal and sensitive talk with the administrator of the fund if that becomes necessary. In our office, not in a courtroom. We are doing everything we can to support the victims in this case. We are doing our best to be as sensitive as we can in talking with people and in acquiring all the materials we need to process a claim. There is some difficult conversation that has to happen, and we try to do that as sensitively as we can. We have a lot of experience dealing with these types of sensitive claims, and I think it's important that we make sure we remember that this is a very difficult thing for the clients and that we try and be as sensitive in our approach as we can, patient. As a citizen of New Hampshire, I'm sorry that anybody suffered sexual or physical abuse at YDC or anywhere. And we are committed to preserving the rights and fighting for the resources that victims of such abuse deserve and need. We will continue to be so.